Welcome to the SSB outlet. Today we have a 2018 BMW S1000RR. This leader sport bike has just under 2,900 miles on it and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up. Tires on this bike are still in good shape, plenty of miles left on them. Bike has only had a couple things done to it, but it is pretty much mostly stock. They've added stand spools to it, a fender eliminator, and an integrated tail. The rear tire, as you can tell, great shape, plenty of miles left on that. And again, stand spools. Really a nice, clean leader bike. Alright. $28.78 is the mileage that's on it. This 2018 BMW S1000RR will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB outlet.